Today I'm working on my Moultrie deer feeder. Problem I'm having with it is not with this little plate here that throws the corn, that spin and throw the corn out, but the corn keeps stopping up in that hole, jamming up. I took it apart yesterday and I cut some of it off, made that hole bigger, and it's still jammed up. But I set it last night and it spent this morning and didn't jam up, but I don't want to take no chance with that no more. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this off, and I'm gonna take it off and take it in the barn, and I'm gonna try something. Okay, the idea I have is that I'm gonna take this Allen wrench, 6-inch Allen wrench. I'm gonna cut it off here. I'm gonna cut it off, and then I'm gonna file it off flat as I can, and I'm gonna mount it right in that center hole there. And then maybe it won't be too heavy, but when that little table spins to throw that corn, this gonna be sticking up in the corn, and it gonna help spin and make that corn not jam up. I really think that's gonna work. So I got me some JB Well, get ready to mix that up, and I'm gonna put it in there, let that set up, and then I'll get back with you. All thing you gotta do, we got 3 screws here holding it together. I'm gonna take them 3 screws out, get this out of the way. Then I'm gonna mix up my JB Well, get it in that center, and put as much as I need around that to hold that Allen wrench in the center. And I really, like I said, I really think that gonna go up in that hole. But if it act like if it act like it's gonna have too much trouble spinning with the weight of that Allen wrench, I'm gonna cut it off, so cut about probably 2 inches off of it, cause it don't need to be in there that deep. But right now I'm gonna leave it at 6 inches. But I probably cut it off to down about 4 inches. Okay, I'm back. I changed my mind that fast. I went on and cut that off at 3 inches, cause with it sitting in there at 3 inches, from where that corn gonna stop at, it'll be sticking up in that corn for 2 inches. So I think when it spins, that'll help it vibrate and make that corn keep falling out without jamming up. So all I'm gonna do is take the screws out of that, take that top off. I'm gonna mix up that JB Well, and gonna put it around that and let it sit ever how long it take to get cured out, and then get back with you. Okay, I just finished putting it up there. I just mixed up a little bit in that spoon there. Took that little plastic butter knife, and I got to see what size is that Allen wrench there is for you, but I cut it off, like I said, 3 inches. The end that I didn't cut, I set it down in the hole flat. And I put some of the JB Well in there first. Then I mashed it down in there. Then I built it up around the sides like that. And while it was setting up, and it sets up real quick. This is the first time I used this here. This kind here, and it sets up, say, in 6 minutes, and it really do too, cause it was setting up fast. But when I got it there, I was sitting there spinning it. I was spinning it to get some of that wobble out of it. I bend that Allen wrench over to it, straighten up. That'll look pretty good right there. Ain't gonna be doing too much wobbling. But I'm gonna let that set up, and I'm gonna try to find out what size that Allen wrench is. So I'll be right back. Okay, I said I was gonna see what size the Allen wrench was. It's a 1/4. So it's a 1/4 size, cut at 3 inches. The flat side down in the hole that I didn't cut. It's set up real quick. So I really think this might have a chance of working where my corn won't be getting stuck up in this hole, jamming up. It'll be spinning when that little table does spin. It's gonna be out here spinning to make that corn come on through. So I really think that'll work. But this here, it says sets up in 6 minutes, which it do, or less. And then it say cure time 4 to 6 hours. It's 7:30 now, so it'll be around about 11:30 before it get cured out good in 4 hours. But it'll be good and dark here, so I'm gonna just let it sit all night. I'm gonna just go ahead and put it back together, put the screws in, and let it sit out here all night. And I'll come back tomorrow and finish this video. Let's see how it works. Okay, it's been 23 hours since it's been setting up. I think it turned out real nice. Get ready to go out there and put it on a deer feeder and see how it do. I really think that'll keep that corn from jamming up in there. Go put it on the feeder. Let's see what we got. Okay, I got it back on, and this time I got 4 settings on. I set all 4 timers about a minute apart, and I put 10 seconds on each one of them, and I sit here and watch. It went through all 4 timers. There it goes. And I was saying it went through all 4 timers without jamming up. And I really think that's gonna work there. I'm gonna let it sit out here in the yard for the rest of this week, feed the squirrels out here. And if it jam up one time, I'll come back and let y'all know. If you notice, I got this floor mat mounted back here, cause where I keep this feeder at, I got woods to my left, to the back of it, and I don't want it throwing corn all in the back in the woods. Throw it out front to the path, and so the corn will hit that and fall down on the ground instead of going in the woods. And then I also, when I first bought this, I cut out these slots up here and sealed it and plexiglassed it, so that when I walk up to my box and get in, I can look from the box and see my corn level on the glass, on this glass. That way I won't have to walk up here and open it, and which I can't open this thing. I'm 6'6", so this thing right at 7 foot tall. And I don't have to try to climb up there and see how much corn in it. I put that there, and that really helped me out a lot. Like I said, I could come to my box and I can see the corn level in it without going to it, leaving my scent. So that's another good idea if you want to try that. Cut out the slot, seal it with some seal, and plexiglass it. All right. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope it might help you out. Like I said, if it jam up one time this week, I'll get back out here and let you know. All right. Thanks for watching.